Welcome to Fairmont Homes, a division of Cavco Industries, now celebrating our 52nd year. In this video, we'd like to show you our park model production, a 30-station building process which utilizes the talents of over 250 home building specialists. It all starts with the frame. Every steel frame is engineered to fit each floor plan's specific requirements for camber and strength. 2x6 floor joists are laid transversely 16 inches on center and assembled on a floor jig. It's then lifted by crane where it will be secured to the frame. In the flooring department, R22 Owens Corning insulation along with ductwork and PEX plumbing lines are installed. 19/32 OSB tongue and groove floor decking is glued and screwed into place, just as in standard residential construction. The OSB seams are sanded to assure a smooth floor, and finally, Congolium flooring is laid. The home then moves to our cabinet area. Fairmont Homes use residential box cabinetry built and assembled in-house per order, designed for durability using hardwood shaker doors and hidden hinges mounted on 3/4-inch hardwood stiles that are in-screwed, not glued or stapled. Once in the plumbing department, water heaters, furnaces, fixtures, feed, and drain lines are installed. Customers can choose from 8 different colors of vinyl-covered half-inch drywall. This is fastened to studs at 16-inch on center. Once assembled, these walls are set into place, basically building your park model from the inside out. While the interior walls are being set in place, exterior walls are assembled. R13 craft back insulation is installed, and then vinyl covered drywall is applied to the inside of the wall. The exterior will be covered with 7/16 OSB sheeting at a later point. This sheeting increases strength while helping to insulate as well as dampen unwanted noise. The walls will later be covered in HomeGuard exterior house wrap. Fairmont utilizes its cradle of strength construction. Floor joists, exterior wall studs, and roof rafters are all lined up at 16-inch on center. Steel strapping is added for maximum rigidity and strength. The roof is assembled in another location. The construction includes 1/2-inch residential textured drywall ceilings and R19 fiberglass roof insulation. Cranes are used to maneuver the roof into place. While on the assembly line, units can be moved down the line individually or mechanically using chains attached to dowels. Although the cabinets are already installed at this point, cabinet drawers and doors are one of the last components in the construction phase. Drawers include real plywood panels, hardwood fronts, and dovetail construction. These are installed last to minimize damage during the production process. Units now exit the main facility and are taken to a dedicated line used to put the final touches on each unit. Trim, interior doors, final details, and furniture are loaded into the home, and it is prepped for delivery. Fairmont Park Models, built on the same line as our modular homes, using the same residential components with the same housing production members throughout the 30-station manufacturing process. It all adds up to the best park model in the industry. Get more for what you pay. Just park it.